Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Temu crashing the second you open it? Here's a fix. First, swipe up and close the Temu app completely from your recent apps. Now, go to your settings, then go to iPhone storage and check how much free space you have. Temu crashes instantly on launch when storage is critically low, since it can't load its home screen assets. If storage is nearly full, tap Offload app on a few unused apps to free room. Then try Temu again. If storage is fine, press and hold the Temu icon and then tap Remove app, delete app, then delete the app to fully uninstall it. Then go to the App Store and then search for Temu and tap Get to reinstall it fresh. Reinstalling, go to your app's settings app, then go to General, then go to Software Update and install any pending iOS update. Also in the settings, go back, then search for Temu and confirm that cellular data and background app refresh are both turned on. So all you've got to do is check storage, delete and reinstall fresh, update iOS, Temu will be opening and that's it. Subscribe.